Hello there. In this guide, I will teach you the steps to create a trimmed down custom image that installs Windows 11 without the extra unnecessary apps. You can use the Tiny11Builder script to create a custom debloated ISO file of Windows 11, and in this guide, I will show you how to complete this process. Tiny11 Builder is a third-party script that grabs the official Windows 11 ISO and reprocesses it to remove any apps you may consider junk, such as ClipChamp, News, Weather, Xbox, Get Help, Get Started, Media Player, Quick Assist, OneDrive, and even Microsoft Edge from the image. It also uses the unintended answer file to skip the Microsoft account requirement and create a smaller Windows 11 ISO image. This allows you to perform truly clean installation of your operating system. Here's how to create a trimmed down custom image of Windows 11 ISO image. To create a Windows 11 ISO file with the Windows 11 Builder script, use these steps. Open the Microsoft Support website to download the Windows 11 ISO image. The description section will include the official Microsoft Support website. Select the Windows 11 option under the Download Windows 11 This Image ISO section and click Download Now. Select the installation language and click Confirm. You can click the 64-bit download button to download the Windows 11 ISO image. I have already downloaded the Windows 11 latest ISO image, so I will not process to download it again. From the description section of this video, open the Windows 11 Builder GitHub page. Under the Assets section, download the zip archive. Extract the Tiny11Builder zip archive. Navigate to Windows 11 ISO image file and right-click it, and from the context menu, click Mount. Take a note of the drive letter which you will be using it later on for the mounted Windows 11 ISO image. In my case, it is E drive. From Start menu search box, type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes button. Now execute the following command to allow Tiny11Builder script to run on your computer. Type Y letters and press Enter key. Now open the Tiny11Builder folder. Right-click Tiny11Maker.ps1 script file, and from the context menu, click Copy as Path. Now type following. Right-click Windows PowerShell icon on the top left corner, and from Edit, click Paste. When you're ready, press Enter key. Type R, letter, and press Enter key. You will need to enter the drive letter for the Windows 11 that you have mounted. In my case, it is E drive letter. You will need to enter the Windows 11 edition index number. I will be entering 6 index number for Windows 11 Pro and press Enter key. This can take some time to finish, so please be patient. After creation completed, you will be asked to exit the script by pressing Enter key. SQL formula command to set the more secure PowerShell execution policy. Type Y letter and press Enter key. You can now close the PowerShell command. Once you complete this step, script will create a custom Windows 11 ISO file without the default app inside the folder containing the Tiny11 maker.ps1 file. Here it is, Tiny11.iso file, which is Windows 11 ISO file. You can use the Rufus to create yourself a bootable USB flash drive and install this ISO file. That is it. If you have any questions, please post them at the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.